Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today there is a crazy windstorm. I had no idea this was gonna happen. So it was sunny all of a sudden, and I just heard a lot of wind, and I looked down, it was raining, like heavily raining, and then yeah, very windy. Yeah. So, should be another video coming up today as well soon. I don't know if it's a thunderstorm though, because that's the thing. Super windy. It's getting cold now. And it's raining. Well, spring's on its way. Ha ha ha. So you guys can see over there. That was so sunny over there. Like, yeah. And then now it's just so dark and cloudy and raining. Everything. I'll go to the front. Okay, I am not going to the front. It's wet and it's raining, windy as well. So I'm not going to. Ah, that smell of rain. So nice. Oh, my iPad's falling out doing that. Super good. Oh, very windy over there. Show you guys the radar if I can. Apparently it's not supposed to rain today, like right now. It's not supposed to be raining, but it's raining. The radar says it's bright and sunny, but no, it ain't sunny. So this storm pretty much has developed over the house probably. Yeah. I'm gonna end it here. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is a really intense, or was an intense windstorm. I don't know if it's gonna be like this for a couple hours or something, but anyway, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah.